Come here. Come on, guys. Come on, girls. Come on. Hi. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Why, you found me, huh? You found me. What about the other one? What about the girl? Come here. This way. Follow the voice. Come on. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on. Look at these two. They're going by my voice. They're so cute. This little girl. Come on, girl. Come on. This one, they just want to be patted. Look at this little face. Feeding time at the zoo is over. Yep, here she comes. Come on. Come on, girl. Look at all the girls. Look at all the girls. Come on, girl. Come on. You gonna come to the camera? Come on. Come on, girl. Come on. The determination in her face. Come on. The other two are here, but this one, will she make it? She hears the other kittens. She hears the siblings. Here she comes. And if it was a finish line, she's almost there. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on. And she made it over to me. Look at that. Their eyesight is really poor, but their hearing is really good, and they will come over to me.